Associates is a representative and distributor of energy-efficient HVAC equipment. They came to us because they were stuck in this really weird place where their website was no longer compatible with mobile, their maintenance software had become outdated, and obviously their content. So they needed a complete website overhaul. We started the project by sitting down with each one of the sales team and asking them, how could we help? They had a lot of great insights and suggestions, but their biggest one was they wanted to feature more of their projects. So we introduced a recent project section onto the homepage of the website. We also introduced micro animations to entice the visitor to click and learn more. The other great suggestion that they had was to maintain their current messaging of large in-stock warehouse. We couldn't just go plastering this everywhere, so we borrowed elements from e-commerce in order to create a product page to show their large inventory. To enhance user experience though, we needed to introduce sort options so that people could easily find what they were searching for by either manufacturer or category. I'm a big proponent that a website should be a part of your sales process and not your complete sales process. So by working with Herrmann and their sales team, we were able to get them unstuck and grow their sales.